Arjuna gives his Guru Dakshina. The formal training of the Kuru princes was now over. One morning, after their prayers were over, Guru Dronacharya summoned the princes together and announced, "The debt that any student owes to a Guru cannot be discharged without the payment of Guru Dakshina. Today, you all are grown up and quite capable. I can now demand my fee from you without hesitation." Dronacharya then proceeded to narrate his life story in brief. "I lack nothing today, but in our earlier days we were very poor. Yajnasen Drupad, the kin of the Panchal kingdom, was my childhood friend, we being classmates at my father's ashram. Once in our childhood days, he had promised me that half of whatever he possessed would be mine. After becoming a householder, I reminded Drupad of his promise made during childhood. But Drupad was now a king. Far from honoring his words, he replied arrogantly, 'O Drona, what one says during childhood does not necessarily become a promise. It is true that we were classmates once upon a time, but lasting friendship can only be between two equals. Every day, I distribute considerable wealth to the needy. You too may state your need, and I shall be only too happy to fulfill your wish.' These words of Drupad caused me humiliation in public. I then resolved that I would prepare such pupils who would demolish Drupad's pride. You all must therefore defeat Drupad in battle and produce him before me. This is the Guru Dakshina I expect from you." According to the Guru's wishes, the Kuru princes set out from Hastinapur towards the kingdom of Panchal. Duryodhan, his brothers and Karna formed one group. The Pandavas, under the leadership of Yudhishthir, rode separately in their chariots. The Kaurav army marched behind, accompanied by Drona. Duryodhan's group rushed in and fell upon the Panchal army. There was little discipline or plan in their attack. The response of the Panchals was so severe that the Kaurav army was badly beaten back and began to flee. Then the mighty warrior Drupad himself entered the fray. Duryodhan was beaten while Karna was badly defeated. Panchal soldiers soon surrounded both of them. The attack thus ended in a complete disaster for the Kauravas. Under Arjun's instructions, the 5 Pandav brothers now moved ahead. They ordered the fleeing Kaurava soldiers to regroup and come back into the fray. Bhim with his Gadha and Arjun with his mighty bow now proved unstoppable. Nakul and Sahadev also moved ahead, protecting Yudhishthir. Very soon, Arjun demolished Drupad's bow, shot down his flag, killed his horses, and smashed his chariot. He then leapt forward and took Drupad captive, bringing him to his Guru, Dronacharya. Drona ordered Drupad's release and spoke to him. "Dear friend Yajnasena, today my disciples have defeated you in battle. Your kingdom, army, wealth and prosperity are all mine now. I hope that you shall have no objection to having me as your friend, since according to you, only a king can be a friend of another king. However, I shall return half your kingdom to you and keep the other half with me. The areas to the north of the Ganga will be mine, while you can rule over the remaining southern part. My foremost pupil Arjun has today fulfilled his Guru Dakshina, and I now release all my disciples from Guru's debt." Drupad hung his head in shame and was forced to accept this humiliation. Barely into their adolescence, the Pandavas won a major military victory against a powerful kingdom like Panchal.